अपोलो टायर्स पीएचडी चैम्बर्स ऑफ कॉमर्स एंड इंडस्ट्री उत्तराखंड एडवेंचर राइड 2024 का पहला संस्करण आयोजित कर रहा है। ये एडवेंचर 30 अगस्त को दिल्ली से शुरू होगा, 31 अगस्त 2024 को देहरादून चलेगा। एडवेंचर राइड दिल्ली से शुरू होकर टिहरी के रास्ते देहरादून में समाप्त होगी। इस पहल को भारत सरकार के पर्यटन मंत्रालय का समर्थन प्राप्त है। उत्तराखंड एडवेंचर राइड के आयोजन का मुख्य उद्देश्य उत्तराखंड को भारत के साहसिक पर्यटन को बढ़ावा देना और खेल केंद्र के रूप में प्रदर्शित करना है। साथ ही देश भर के राइडिंग समुदाय के बीच उत्तराखंड को बढ़ावा देना है और उन्हें मोटरसाइकिल राइडिंग टूर के लिए उत्तराखंड में विभिन्न मार्गों का पता लगाने के लिए भी आमंत्रित करना है।
So ma'am, how are you feeling about this event, and like what do you think about this whole event which will happen?
It's a great initiative by PhD, Apollo Tyres, and the Ministry of Tourism, Uttarakhand government. It's important to encourage adventure, and I think when adventure is supported by the right pillars, it's always something that I encourage people to be a part of. Oftentimes people say, isn't adventure being reckless? And I say, no, it isn't. Adventure is calculated risks, and when you have fantastic folks like the PhD Chamber of Commerce as well as Apollo Tyres, the government of Uttarakhand, and of course relevant ministries in the union government, I think it's something that is to be applauded, and I would like to congratulate them for this phenomenal effort.
Hi. So this is really exciting for us at Apollo Tyres to partner with the Chamber of Commerce, with the PhD Chamber of Commerce, on this ride to Uttarakhand. At Apollo Tyres, we have our own program called the Bad Road Buddies Community, where we support riders, in the motorcycling community as well as in the off-roading community, by ensuring that they have the best facilities when they're going on the rides and their drives, ensuring it's a safe ride and drive, organizing the facilities wherever possible. For us, it's all about enabling the community to come together, and this is exactly where PhD is also in the same space as us, and taking this ride to Uttarakhand. We are hoping we can organize a few more rides into Uttarakhand, not only from NCR, but also going beyond it to other states as well. All the best to this initiative, and we look forward to having a longer and a stronger association. Cheers.